Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to share Goldbelly reviews. Friends, this is not our website, so if you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end as I will share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. Goldbelly have gained lots of attention in the United States. This is the home page of the website, and here we can see that the products offered are cakes, cookies, hams, turkey and turducken, bagels, pizzas, seafood and many more. Now let's check the way of payment. So here we can see that no information related to mode of payment is available on the home page. But during checkout time, we found that the customers can pay through their credit and debit cards. Now let's check the shipping information. So here we can see that if a customers are placing an order for a time sensitive event, they are recommended to place their order early and scheduling it to arrive 2+ days before your event. And if you request to change the delivery address once your order has shipped, then a $19 address change processing fee will apply to your order. Friends, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon because this will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of the website. So guys, Goldbelly have SSL certification and is protected through HTTPS protocol. Therefore, the information you send or get through the website is safe and secure, which is a good sign. And talking about the domain name, so it was created in the year 2000 on 24th November. Thus, the site is 20 years old. Now, let's take a look at About Us section to know more about this website. So, Goldbelly believes in the emotional power of food. For many of us, food is a language of love. It's more than just nourishment, it's memories, it's connection, and it's comfort. So, the mission of Goldbelly is to bring you comfort through food, whatever you dream of, wherever you are. And on the home page, we can find the contact number of the customer's executive of Goldbelly and the links provided for social media land us on the right page. Also, the followers on these page are more than 4 lakhs, which is a quite impressive sign. Now let's check our return policies. So all the items are final sale. If an item arrives damaged or spoiled, our customer support team will work with you to determine an appropriate solution. Please reach out to our team at support@goldbelly.com to resolve the issue within 14 days of delivery. So here we can find the email ID, which is support@goldbelly.com, to contact their customer executives. And the contact number is 1-888-675-6892. And talking about the Goldbelly reviews, guys, so we found many positive reviews on both official page of Goldbelly and on many other reliable sites, which is a good sign. So in the final conclusion, I would like to inform our viewers that Goldbelly website is a legit website and you can prefer this if you prefer to order food online. And friends, if you have ordered anything from this website, do share your experience with us in the comment section below, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, guys. And please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Thank you, guys. Be informed, be safe.